Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. This is the first episode of Smart Home Sundays, where we explore clever and practical ways to bring smart technology into your home without overcomplicating it. Today, we're talking about one of the easiest smart upgrades you can make, the smart plug. So, what is a smart plug? It's a small device you plug into a regular wall outlet and then plug another device into it. With that, you gain remote control, voice activation, scheduling, and sometimes even energy tracking, all from your phone or with your voice assistant. But here's the cool part. You can make dumb devices smart without replacing them. Let me give you a few real-world examples. The studio fan trick. In our studio, we've got a fan tucked behind shelves. It's impossible to reach the switch. But with a smart plug, we can just say, "Alexa, turn on the fan." Instant breeze. No rewiring. No crawling over stuff. Another example in our studio, we have 4 monitors connected to one computer. All 4 are only needed during video editing. The rest of the time, we might just use 1 or 2. With smart plugs, we can turn individual monitors on or off with a simple voice command. Otherwise, it's a hassle reaching behind each screen. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Another example is to control lamps with non-smart bulbs. Do you have a lamp with a regular bulb? Plug it into a smart plug. Boom! It's now voice-controlled or scheduled. Perfect for bedrooms or reading nooks. Or even holiday lights. Want our Christmas lights or patio string lights to turn on automatically at sunset and off at midnight? Simply use a smart plug. Or make your coffee maker smart. If you have a regular coffee maker with a mechanical switch, you can plug it into a smart plug and schedule your morning brew. Wake up to the smell of coffee. No smart coffee machine required. You can also turn off power-hungry devices. Some electronics use power even when turned off. With a smart plug, you can cut the power completely when not in use, saving energy and money. Or you can use a smart plug to prevent overuse of appliances. Want to limit how long a space heater, hair straightener, or gaming console stays on? Use scheduling or auto-off features in your smart plugs app. But before you go plugging in everything, always check the wattage rating of your smart plug. Some can't handle high-powered appliances like air fryers, kettles, or microwaves. They're best for low to moderate wattage devices. So, how would you use a smart plug? Let me know in the comments. Maybe it'll help someone else with a similar setup. And if you're ready to try one out, I've included my top picks for smart plugs in the description. Just scroll down to check the latest prices and features. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more smart home tips every Sunday. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.